Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today topic is about branches of anatomy. In first part we discuss about definition of anatomy, and now branches of anatomy. So let's start. First, gross anatomy. What is gross anatomy? The branch of anatomy that deal with the structure of the body that are visible to the naked eye. So gross means large, something that we see with our eyes and do not need for a microscope. It is also known as cadaveric anatomy. Generally, gross anatomy is studied on dead bodies because you cannot dissect a living human just to study. For example, structure of muscles, bone, digestive organ that only can be examined and is possible through dissection to study. Now, what approaches do we use to study gross anatomy? There are two approaches to study gross anatomy. The first one is regional anatomy and the second one is systemic anatomy. Now, what is regional anatomy? The study of human body by region is called regional anatomy. To study regional anatomy, we divided the body into 5 major regions. The first one is head. Second one is neck regions. The third one is upper limb regions. Fourth one is lower limb regions. And the fifth one is trunk region. Trunk region further divided into 4 regions. The thorax regions, as you can see in the image, this is the thorax regions. The abdominal regions, this is the abdominal region, and the back region, and this image is the back regions, and the pelvic regions, and this is the pelvic regions. So the study of specific region, specific part of the body is called regional anatomy. Now systemic anatomy. What is systemic anatomy? The study of a human body by system is called systemic anatomy. We have 11 systems in our body. For example, skeletal system, muscular system, respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, and etc. In every system, a group of structures that work together to perform a unique body function. For example, in digestive system, the organ are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. They work together in forming and turning your food into nutrients and energy. So system-wise study is called systemic anatomy. Now living anatomy. What is living anatomy? It deals with the study of live human being and not dead. Now what are the techniques to study living anatomy? It includes palpation. It is a method of physical examination in which we feel the body parts with our hands. Next is percussion. What is percussion? It is also a method of physical examination in which we tap in body parts with our fingers. Then auscultation. What is auscultation? The listening of sound from heart, lungs, or abdomen or other organs with the help of stethoscope. This is auscultation. Then radiography. It is an imaging technique using X-ray to view the internal organs of the body. Endoscopy. It is a technique in which a camera is inserted into the internal organs to view inside of the body. Next branch is embryology. What is embryology? It is concerned with the study of development of an embryo from a single cell to a complete human being. It is also known as developmental anatomy. It provides detail of the prenatal, postnatal development changes in the body and the mechanism by which these changes occur. So that's why it is also called developmental anatomy. Next branch is microscopic anatomy. What is microscopic anatomy? It refers to the study of anatomy by using a microscope. It is further subdivided into 2 branches. One is cytology and histology. Second one is histology. So what is cytology? The word cytology is a combination of 2 Greek word, cyto plus logi, which means study of cells. So cytology means study of cell, which we can study with the help of a microscope. Next is histology. So what is histology? It is also a combination of two Greek words, histo plus logi, which mean tissue study, and also we can study it with the help of microscope. So the study of tissue with the help of microscope is called histology. So that was all about the branches of anatomy. Thank you.